Determine if x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. To see if x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial, but make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x minus 3 is in this form, so we simply plug in 3 into the polynomial, and we get p of 3 equals 3 to the 4th minus 3 times 3 cubed minus 21 times 3 squared plus 43 times 3 plus 60. Simplifying, we get 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. 3 cubed is 27 times 3 is also 81. 3 squared is 9 times 21 is 189. 43 times 3 is 129 plus 60. These two terms cancel out, and we get negative 189, and then combining these terms, we get plus 189. So these two terms also cancel out, and we're left with 0. So that means that x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial.